Hello viewers, we have brought to you the top 3 best washing machine review powered by the Fairviews Review. Number 3. Take the effort out of washing your clothes with the WTG 1041B2CW. This freestanding washing machine is exclusive to Euronics and Agent stores, so you won't find it anywhere else. Helping you save money on your energy bills, this Beko washing machine has an energy efficiency rating of A, designed to hold up to 10 kilograms of laundry. You can get everything done in one wash, a perfect solution for larger families. Number 2. Save time and money. Need washing done in a hurry? Not a problem. With the Daily Quick program, there's no need to wait hours for a cycle to finish. You can wash a full load in just 28 minutes. On top of this, the Fast Function program shortens the length of other programs by up to 55. Using Optimize temperature control and increased drum movements, you'll have perfect results in no time. Number 1. As well as the Daily Quick Wash, you also have the option for a delayed start. Simply set the timer and schedule your load to wash at a time that suits you with up to 19 hours delay. Put your load in before work to come back to freshly washed clothes and linen. This Beko washing machine also features a large drum design, so you can wash all your laundry in one go.